Welcome to the best picks. The best wound healer is probably one of the most essential items to have in your medicine cabinet. Whether it's a minor scrape or a more serious cut, the right wound healer can make all the difference in how quickly and effectively your body recovers. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of wound care, exploring different types of products and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. First Honey Wound Healing Ointment. This ointment is made with 100% active leptospermum and manuka honey from New Zealand. It provides fast relief and helps repair your skin. This product is also antibiotic-free. Sterile honey offers natural bioactivity and high viscosity. This creates a moist protective barrier to protect from infection and minimize scarring. The low pH level and high sugar content aid the wound healing process. We created this healing product without artificial antibiotics. We wanted a natural product to promote faster healing and prevent infection. This ointment is manufactured in a certified ISO 13485 facility. It is extremely potent when it comes to healing minor abrasions, lacerations, minor cuts, minor scalds, and burns. We are a family-owned bee farm in New Zealand. We are passionate about providing a safe, natural alternative to current antibiotic ointments. Our farms produce the highest quality rated active manuka honey. We deeply care about our customers and their families. We promise to only create the highest quality products. If you have any issues, please reach out and we'll make it right. What we like. This ointment uses 100% active manuka honey from New Zealand, a natural and effective ingredient. It is also antibiotic-free, making it a great choice for those who prefer natural healing. If you are looking for a natural, high-quality wound healer, you should consider this. What people say. I apply every day to my incisions and the progress is nothing short of incredible. This manuka honey has worked much better than any medicated product I have bought. It is very effective at healing burn wounds. Thick enough to stay in place, does not smell like a medicine and actually worked better than other dressing we had tried. Number 4. Terrasil Wound Care 3X Healing Ointment. This ointment is uniquely formulated to provide a powerful barrier against infection. It kills 99.99% of bacteria and supports faster healing of wounds and sores. It calms inflammation and redness, minimizing the risk of scarring. The ointment reduces itching and irritation, providing soothing relief without stinging. This product contains activated minerals, backed by over 20 years of research. These minerals, along with select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It provides therapeutic benefits with natural ingredients to moisturize damaged skin. The formula is paraben-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. This product is formulated with the finest ingredients and made in the USA. It is made to the highest quality manufacturing standards and is FSA and HSA eligible. What we like. Terrasil offers powerful protection against infection with its unique patented technology. It also provides fast relief and is suitable for various skin issues. If you have sensitive skin and need a soothing and effective treatment, you should consider it. What people say. Terrasil. Initially just in the damaged areas, now over a larger area to help prevent damage. Product works great. Wound was gone within 2 days. Excellent, very impressed. I woke up with a random red line on my face one morning. I ordered this product and applied it overnight and this is what it looked like the very next day. Number 3. Terrasil Wound Care 3X Ointment. This ointment is uniquely formulated to provide a powerful barrier against infection. It kills 99.99% of bacteria and supports faster healing of wounds and sores. It calms inflammation and redness, minimizing the risk of scarring. This ointment provides ideal care and relief for various skin issues, and it applies easily without stinging. This product contains activated minerals, backed by extensive research. These minerals, combined with select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It provides therapeutic benefits with natural ingredients like jojoba oil and calendula. This product is free of parabens, alcohol, dyes, and fragrances, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Formulated with the finest ingredients and made in the USA, it meets the highest quality standards. This product is FSA and HSA eligible, ensuring you get the best care. What we like. This Terrasil product is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It also offers fast relief and is effective for various wounds. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. This stuff has brought back my wife's skin to health. Terrasil helped prevent damage. Product works great, wound was gone within 2 days. Excellent, very impressed. Number 2. SILVEX Wound Gel. Are you looking for a solution for minor cuts and burns? This product is designed to help. It is a wound care treatment that can help you heal faster. This gel is effective for minor cuts, abrasions, and even first and second degree burns. It can also soothe sunburns and skin irritations. It is a versatile product. This product helps prevent infections like MRSA and VRE. It also fights against common bacteria like Staph and E. coli, as well as fungi. It provides comprehensive protection. It accelerates the skin's natural healing process. It also minimizes the appearance of scars. You can expect faster recovery with this product. This product is backed by over 300 clinical studies. This means it's been thoroughly tested and proven effective. You can trust its results. What we like. This wound gel prevents infections and promotes fast healing, supported by numerous clinical studies. It is designed to accelerate the skin's natural healing process. If you are looking for a clinically proven solution, you should consider this. What people say. Using this, my skin is now completely back to normal. This stuff comes as a gel and is gentle but super tough on whatever it was. The nano-silver technology provides excellent antibacterial protection, helping to prevent infections while promoting faster healing. Number 1. Active Skin Repair Hydrogel, natural and non-toxic. This is a natural and non-toxic repairing ointment. It uses hypochlorous acid to help your skin recover faster. It is the same safe and gentle molecule used in hospitals worldwide. This hydrogel is recommended by doctors and clinically proven. It is natural, non-toxic, and non-sensitizing. It contains no steroids, antibiotics, alcohol, or harsh chemicals. This product works on various skin issues, including cuts, rashes, and sunburns. It provides the power of a first aid kit in a convenient gel bottle. This first aid hydrogel is a medical-grade skin solution. It acts quickly to provide relief and supports the body's natural healing process. It helps cleanse wounds to help skin recover faster. This product is eligible for use with your health savings account or flexible spending account. It is a great addition to your first aid kit. What we like. This product utilizes hypochlorous acid, a safe and gentle molecule used in hospitals. It is non-toxic and doctor recommended for various skin issues. If you like a natural and non-toxic solution, you should consider this. What people say. In 7 days, the blister is completely healed. Well, within 2 days of using this product, the itching ceased and the burn is healing. It also reduced the swelling and redness of areas I scratched to point of, almost, no return. Husband takes blood thinners, cut and scrapped hand really bad in 3 places and the wounds are healing in record time, not to mention 2 of the 3 wounds have 98% healed within 3 days. The deeper wound is 80% healed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.